Codeine crazy.
What's up, guys? So he got me Snorlax Tin. So we're Darkrai, dude. There was an option of Darkrai, and didn't get any Darkrai.
There was no Darkrai there. I fucking love Darkrai.
Fucking liar.
I would have gotten it.
So whatever. Snorlax is base as fuck. So frick. I can't curse. It's bad. So we're gonna open this up today. Alright. First look. Tin's pretty sick. Love the design. The Snorlax card is pretty. Oh, thank God.
Wow.
That shade is awesome. So we got a Snorlax Reverse Holo. That's like what, $3 billion on eBay. Yeah, that'll run up a good price. I'm gonna put that back slowly and carefully. I'm gonna keep it in the tin. Ooh, I don't like that. Protect him. TCG code in case you guys want it. You got it? Alright. I'm gonna use it anyways before I upload this so you guys can't use it. Alright. We got Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars pack. Let's open it up. Alright. The code for you guys.
Isn't it like 3 from the back? And then
yeah, it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know. That should have been an energy card. Yeah, okay. Energy. Leaf energy, which is pretty sick. Oh, Grottle, sick as fuck. Yeah. The Grottle, epic starter Pokemon Gabite, awesome. Cafe Master, that's fat. Shroomish, pretty sick. Starly, epic Pokemon. Execute, it turns into Executor, epic Pokemon as well. Trapinch, very epic, turns into Flygon.
yeah.
Yanma's a cool one too.
Oh, yeah.
Yanma is like a dragonfly guy, and he's like dragon in the ground. He's sick. Gibble, pre-evolution of Gabite, Purloin, and we got a fucking
No way!
we got a Raikou V. Pretty sick pull. This will run up like what, 30 trillion on eBay.
Raikou's actually my favorite Pokemon.
Raikou's sick. Did you see the new like the ancient version?
No.
They made, cause like in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, they have like the, what's it called? Paradox Pokemon, and then they're like some of them are ancient, some of them are like futuristic. Raikou's like an ancient one, and they made him into like a giraffe. And then at the top of his head, he has like this stuff around his head, and he looks like a thundercloud.
That's tough.
That's sick. Alright, we're gonna put that back in. We got 3 packs in this? That's actually so awesome. Okay. We got Sword and Shield Evolving Skies. Rayquaza on the front. Epic.
I love Rayquaza.
Sick. Awesome Pokemon. Alright. Alright. Code for you guys. Got that? The sunlight hit perfectly too. I'm gonna save this all so I can use it and nobody gets to use it. I don't even have the game on my phone. I'm gonna download it just to spite you guys. 1, 2, 3. Energy card, another Leaf Energy. Pretty awesome. Grass type's actually one of my favorite types, so I'm hyped about that. Ursaring, awesome Pokemon. Scrafty, another awesome Pokemon. I just hate in the games it like evolves at level 40. It's so annoying, but it's a cool Pokemon. Rescue Carrier, lame. Drowsy, weird. Mareep, awesome Pokemon. Electric Sheep guy. Applin, he's cool. They made a new evolution for him where he's like a candied apple. It's sick. Pikachu, oh yeah. Cutie Fly, lame. Spirit, dude, JoJo Mask.
Wow.
What? You, this good. Then we got a Flapple, which is perfect, dude. Evolution Chan, yeah. All right, last pack. Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Another code for you guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, fighting energy. Ah. Alright, let's go. Swadloon, awesome Pokemon. It's like the bug one from Unova where it's Leavanny. Is it Leavanny? It's not Leavanny. It's the one that Ash had. It is a very cool Pokemon. I use it in my playthrough of Pokemon Black. Sandslash, cool Pokemon. Corvisquire turns into Corviknight. Corviknight.
Oh.
Awesome Pokemon.
It was in Sword, right? First?
Yeah. Carvanha, awesome Pokemon turned into Sharpedo. I have a shiny Sharpedo on my Pokemon Omega Ruby. It's cool. I Mega Evolve it too. It's cool. Smeargle, very creative guy. He looks painting.
Mega Evolution.
Mega Evolution is like the best game mechanic ever. Rotom, epic Pokemon. Grubbin, cool, very cool Pokemon. He turned into Vikavolt, the electric like beetle guy. Very cool. Mantine, yeah, awesome Pokemon. Swampert, very epic. It's a foil card, so he's glittery. You see that? Can you catch it on the camera? No littering here. We'll throw this all out. So yeah, Swampert, epic card. And then Centiskorch is like a fire centipede. So yeah. Alright, well, that's the 10. I'm gonna put all the, hold on. This is how I'm gonna store it away. Gotta get the code. The most important part of the decks, then. We'll put that away. Then we put the cool cards there. Epic Snorlax on top. Boom. That is so hot. Oh my god. That was my unboxing of the Snorlax Pokemon TCG trading card game 10. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe. Shout out to Zucky for buying me the 10. And shout out to Nestor for sitting in the sun and filming this video. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time.